If you have ever watched a professional looking video and you thought, I wish I could edit like that, then this video is for you. In the next 10 minutes, I will show you how to edit videos in CapCut using just your smartphone, even if you've never edited a video in your life. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Emmanuel and I create simple tutorials to help you grow your content with just your smartphone. Today we are going step by step through CapCut for complete beginners. You will learn how to import your videos, trim unwanted parts, add smooth transitions, include text, music, effects, and export your video in high quality. By the end of this tutorial, you will have confidence to edit your own videos from start to finish. So grab your phone, open CapCut, and let's get started. To edit with CapCut, you have to open CapCut. If you don't have CapCut on your phone, you now have to go to your Play Store or your App Store to download CapCut. When you get to your Play Store, you type CapCut, and then for you downloading for the very first time, you will see download instead of update. I already have a version of CapCut on my phone, that's why it's showing update. Now when CapCut is done downloading, you open CapCut. Now when you open CapCut, what you'll be seeing is your CapCut environment, what I call the CapCut environment, right? This CapCut environment has a lot of shortcuts that you will still see, shortcut to tools that you will still see in your main editing environment. You see AutoCut, teleprompter, retouch, AI generator. All these tools are all in your main editing environment, right? Now let's learn how to import a video. To import a video, you click on new video. Now it will take you to your gallery where you have a list of your videos. In this tutorial, I am going to be creating a prayer video. There are people who create prayer videos and upload on YouTube. It's actually a very good niche that you can consider maybe at the end of this tutorial. So I will be using nature videos for my background, right? So I'm going to be uploading some nature videos I have here in my phone. So I will pick this, I will pick this, I will pick this, and I will click on add. Now your video has successfully been imported into your editing environment. Next, we trim our videos by removing the unwanted parts. For this video, I think I need all the parts, but for the sake of this tutorial, I am going to be actually showing you how to remove unwanted parts in your video, how to trim out videos, right? For you to trim out video, you need three stuffs. Now the first thing you need is the line you can see, this visible white line you can see. It is called repo. You have to place your repo either in the beginning of where you want to rip off or at the end of where you want to rip off, right? Now let's assume that I want to rip off from the beginning here till the end here. That means I will have to place my repo at the end here. Now click on the video clip itself. When I click on it, and I'll now click on split here. When you click on split, this video will now be split into two. You have this clip, you have its clip. Originally it was one video, but now we now have two clips, you understand? So we can either delete these, we can either select the first one and delete. Let's assume this is the unwanted part. We click on delete and it's out. Another way to trim your video is by selecting a particular video clip in your editing timeline. When you select it, then you go to either the beginning or the end. Now click and hold and then drag sideways, either left or right. If you are dragging right, you are expanding the video. If you are dragging left, you are reducing the size of the video, or maybe the length of the video. Sorry to say, you are reducing the length of the video if you are dragging left. So this video can either be increased or decreased. This is another way to trim your video. You are either trimming down or you are expanding. Now next is for us to add transition to our video. For you to add transition to your video, you have to click in between a particular clip, two clips actually. You have to click, for example, in between this clip and this clip, and you don't do it selecting any clip. You have to click outside. Now you now select in between them. When you click on this button in between them, it will now take you to where you will see a lot of transition effects available in CapCut. Let's choose this for example. Now we've selected this, right? We can either make this faster or slower. Click on view matching assets for you to select a particular sound effect that match that particular transition effect. Now you can either select them to pick your choice here. Now let's select this one for example. Click on this drop down, it takes you back to this place. You can either decide to apply this for all clip, like this apply one asset to all clip. You can actually apply this for all your video clips if you really like it. Click on all clips and then you click on OK, and then let's test. Wow, that's beautiful. So this will happen for everywhere there are two clips, like from the beginning of another clip to the end of another clip. It will happen like that. This is how to add transition to your videos. Next one is adding text to your video. Now for you to add text to your video, you will have to click on text tool on the tools bar here. Now when you click on text, you will see so many other tools that fall into this text. You can actually add text as a caption. You can also auto caption your videos, that is generating a subtitle if your video is in a particular language, a particular official language, maybe French, English, and so on and so forth. You can equally add stickers here. You have the draw tool, you have the text template, you have text to audio. You are lucky I'm making a voiceover video, so you will also learn text to audio as I will be using it in this tutorial. Now the first one we'll be doing is to add normal text on our video. Now click on add text, and here you can be able to put any caption that you want. Now under this enter text, you can say morning prayer, and you can actually style it. There are built-in templates by CapCut here that you can actually use. There are a lot of templates here. Also on the font, you can actually select a particular font. There are a lot of fonts here. That is the style of the text is called a font, right? So there are a lot of fonts here that you can actually choose the stylish ones, the slanty ones, and so on and so forth, right? You can actually style this text, select line color, give it a color. There are a lot of things you can do on that text here, right? So you learn it basically and you exploit it on your own, right? Now this is how to add text on your video. Now this text by default will start from here and end here. So this is your text clip. You can actually choose to extend it. You know how I taught you how to trim a video? When you hold the beginning or the end and then you move right, you are expanding it. So you can actually expand it all through the video, right? You can actually expand it all through the video. Now we have something like this. So you see the text covers everywhere in the video, and the places you don't want the text to appear, you can actually select the text clip, select split and delete, right? So the text will appear from here till this place, right? That is how to add a caption or a text on your video. Now the next thing is to generate voiceovers for my video. Now remember I told you I am making a prayer video, a morning prayer video. Now to generate voiceover here on CapCut, I'll click on text. Now you go down to text to audio, click on text to audio. Now you will now have to type in your prayer here. I've already copied it, I have typed it, and then I'm going to paste. Next I click on apply. When I click on apply, I come here and select a particular voice that will match whatever I am doing. I can just click on tick goof, give it time. Good morning, pray, and then you click on apply. It will ask you to split text automatically. It will ask that it wants to split text automatically. Just say yes, split. And here is my voiceover. It came with a default subtitle. Now let's look at it.
Good morning prayer for everyone learning CapCut. Heavenly Father, thank you for the gift of a new day and the opportunity to learn, grow, and create as I continue my journey of mastering CapCut.
Next, we are going to be adding sound effects. Now, for us to add sound effects, what we need to do is to click on audio. Now, audio opens, you will see extract, sound effects, record. There are a whole lot of them. But for the sake of this tutorial, to teach you how to add sounds primarily, we will click on sounds. Now, inside the sounds here, you will see a lot of inbuilt sounds that are available for you to use in CapCut. They can be in form of sound effects. They can also come in form of music. But for this tutorial, I'm going to be searching any sound that looks like a piano. I can just say piano. It opens, right? I do not have to select any piano of my choice. This is great. I'll just Now our video now has a sound.
Good morning prayer for everyone learning CapCut. Heavenly Father, thank you for the gift.
Actually, either increase the volume or decrease the volume by clicking on the sound clip and then click on volume to reduce the volume. You either reduce the volume or increase the volume, but for this case, since we already have a voiceover, we can decide to reduce the volume so that
Good morning
sound
prayer for everyone learning CapCut. Heavenly Father,
doesn't overshadow or mask the actual voiceover. The last but not the least is exporting our video. Now for us to export video is very simple. We click on export on the top right corner of your CapCut environment. It will start exporting automatically.